Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, we're going to be doing a French tip dip powder manicure. So I'm going to show y'all how to get that crisp, clean smile line, but we're going to add a pop of sparkle to it by chroming it on top, aka that glazed donut look. So let's get started. For my pink, I'll be using the shade Chelsea. This is one of the colors I created with Color My World Dips. I'm so excited because she actually brought back our entire collection. So if you missed out on it last fall, it's back in stock now. For my white, I've grabbed Pure White from Kiara Sky. I find this one to be really easy to use. I'll be using my go-to liquids, which are Azur's 2-in-1. I would suggest grabbing a medium to slow dry time liquid for this design. This right here, y'all, is the magic product that is going to give you that crisp, clean smile line. So you can dip your nail in for the smile line. You can lay your nail on top for a marble design. If you have long nails, you can pour over top. Like I mentioned with the pour over method, these trays come out, so they're little recycling trays. I love this product. I featured it 100 times and I've raved about it. I've had it for years. Can't suggest it enough. I'm going to pour my white into this top container here and then level it out on my desk. So tapping it on my desk, this is really important that you level out the powder first. I've got everything out and ready. So I've got my white powder level. I have the lid off of my pink jar and I have my liquids as well. So we're going to remove the excess product on our brush first and then do a full layer across our entire nail, avoiding our skin. Then this next section of the video I left in real time so you can see how quickly I'm moving. So I guide my nail into the white powder, and once I see it cover up my natural white on my natural nail, then I stop there and let it absorb. Then we ever so slightly tap it off. You don't want to tap too hard and move your smile line. Then we need to quickly pour the pink over the nail. You can also pour over a cupcake liner as well if you don't have this product. But this is in real time, so it took me 30 seconds. I'm looking at my timer. Here's how it looks. Once it's dry, then we can dust it off. Layer number 1 is now complete. We need to level out our powder again, so tap it on your desk before getting started on layer number 2. Remove your excess and do another full coat of your base liquid across the entire nail. Again, I left this next section in real time, so we're going to guide it into the white powder and stop where our last line ended. So use your first one as your guide. Then we're going to quickly pour over the pink powder before the liquid dries. I'm going to leave all of the products linked down in the description box if you want to check any of them out. So once we're done pouring it over, it's all absorbed, we're going to tap off the excess pink. And that's how quick and easy it is to get a French smile line with dip powder. So we can pull these little trays out and dump it back into our jar so there's zero waste, and same goes for the white. Now my nail's fully dry, so I'm going to go ahead and dust it off and we can start on clear encapsulation. So I grab my clear from Kiara Sky. We're going to do another full layer of our base liquid across the entire nail and then dip into the clear. This is going to protect it when we file shape and buff. Once it's dry, we dust it off, and now it's time to activate. So apply a very generous layer of activator to the nails and wait 2 minutes for it to dry. Once it's dry, we can start filing and shaping. So I'm going to start on this little edge here because I have a ridge where I've dipped in and then poured over. So I'm going to correct that here on these edges and then go around my free edge next. Once I get that shape back, it's really quick and easy. We're going to use our 180 grit side of the file and go across the entire nail next, because we're going to be doing gel on top. So you don't want to make it too smooth with a buffing block. So use a 180 grit side instead so that the gel doesn't peel off. Here's how it looks when I'm done. So I'm going to dust it off, and then we're going to use some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe to cleanse it. So we're not doing the second activator because we're using gel on top. I'm going to be using this Golden Hour Chrome from Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. It is so stunning. Here it is on 2 different swatches. One is a pink and one is on top of a chocolate brown. You can just see it's a beautiful golden chrome effect. So here's how chrome works. If you want a really vibrant chrome look, you would do a flash cure of your gel top coat and then rub the chrome on top. So that's this side. You can see it's super pigmented, very bright chrome. Then on the other side, because it's a full cure of 60 seconds, if you cut that in half and you do a 30-second cure of your gel top coat and then rub the chrome on top, it gives you much more of a subdued mirror chrome effect. You see the difference? It's a little bit lighter of a chrome, more mirror effect. And you come on this side and you can see it almost sparkles on the flash cure side. So if you want a really pigment and chrome effect, do a flash cure. And if you want more subdued, then I would suggest doing a 30-second cure. So we're going to be using Sassy Mouth's new gel top coat. I love this top coat, you guys. I got to try it out. She sent it over for me to try. It is Big 5 free and also HEMA free. So it has the instructions down here. I cannot say enough amazing things about companies that care about the ingredients in their gel products. She also sent me over this velvet matte top coat, y'all. It's incredible. It truly does leave this velvety finish. It is also Big 5 free and HEMA free. So for my lamp, a flash cure is 10 seconds. However, I want more of a subdued mirror effect, so I'm gonna go with a 30-second cure. I'm gonna remove the excess product on my gel top coat brush first, because you want thin layers when it comes to gel. Then we're going to do a full layer across our entire nail. It's important to get all the way to those sidewalls so the chrome has something to adhere to, but make sure you do not get the gel on your skin. Then, like I said, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to use this eyeshadow applicator. You can also use a makeup sponge. Please do not rub your finger on this uncured gel. Use some sort of product to adhere the chrome to. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to barely dip it in there, and then we're going to rub it across the entire nail, making sure we get all the way over to those sidewalls. You can see it takes the mirror effect instantly. It is so easy to use and it's not very messy. So just rub it on the nail, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds. If you did the flash cure option, make sure you get all the way to 60 seconds. So you have to get all the way to 60 seconds. If you did flash cure, I would suggest just doing a 60-second cure, but because I did 30 seconds, I only need to cure for another 30 seconds to properly cure the top coat all the way. Then I grabbed a different dusting brush because I don't want to get chrome on my other one. It can be a lot of shimmer and glitter on there. Here's how we're looking. Then we need to grab our gel top coat again and add a layer of this on top. So thin, even layers, and making sure you do not get this on your skin. If you get it on your skin, please do not use your other nail to clean it up. Use a brush of some sort and clean it off of your skin, capping off my free edge and curing for 60 seconds. I am really loving this gel top coat. It's a thin consistency, which is my personal preference, but still a super high shine, and we can't forget about this chrome. It is stunning. Thank you so much, Sassy Mouth, for sending this over so I could play with it. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. She really did a great job with including better options of ingredients. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found today's video helpful, and I will see y'all next week.